No, it looks like Dark's got the hill.
Dark's up here.
If we all just push onto town really hard. Yeah, no, guys, let's just push onto town really hard.
We've got 2 hours in here.
Oh. There's guys at Connection coming down this way.
This tower? Hit! Hit!
We caught one right in the fucking
Game ends 11:55, so this is the last game.
Listen up, I'm gonna be the guy you guys want to protect. I have my entourage of 3 dudes, that's all I care about. You guys, your mission is to go and kill this fucking commander, roger that?
Roger that.
Okay, look, I need a run team. Who's the team that's fast, guys? They can run fast with their weapon, their boots and all that shit. Decently fast. Okay, run team. Straight to the north, you're gonna secure that camp and you're not gonna let it go, roger that? Okay, once the shit dies down, go out on a search and destroy mission, but your objective, isolate that area right there, roger that? Okay, don't fail. Okay, next team. Who's my next team of guys? Okay, you and who else? Hey, you know the top tower where the bomb was? You're gonna isolate that objective. Now we got it blocked on 2 sides, roger that? Once you guys take that position there, you move to the ranger tower, you start bounding up to each ranger tower and use the ranger tower as a sight post. Everybody else, follow off of your guys' input. Tell them exactly where the fucking commander is, what the enemy's doing at all times. You have the eagle eye vantage point, roger that? They need to know what's going on, all right? That's your guys' objective, roger that? Twin bridge, then start bounding all the ranger towers until you get into contact, roger? All right.
Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, you 4 or 5. You just go straight. We're just trying to push the tent. Be smart because we're going to be out. Go to the tent, guys.
Right team is ready.
Yeah. Go.
All right, roger that. 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go!
Contact!
Oh wait, yeah, I forgot it set up. My bad.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Got them all?
No. I'm hit.
Where the heck is that coming from? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I've already been medicated, so I got
Sounds like from the right side. Yeah, right side moving left. Right side moving left. Yeah, he's still here.
Ah, hit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there a bleed out time?
Probably.
Whoa, 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 straight ahead, straight ahead. Hit, hit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh man, gotta stay low. Got no guys on us. That's an enemy LMG, huh? Damn, that guy's close. Who's in the tent? Who's in the tent? I don't think anyone got really far up there. Whoa, what the hit? Good kill. Good kill. I know. How are we gonna make it out of this one?
We don't.
Oh man, that's reaching here. I'm pretty sure they're just down this trail.
They're in there.
On the other side? Other side?
Yeah, get in the tunnels. They're in the bushes. They're prone.
Tango down. Was it?
Yeah, fairly far.
Oh dude, all I saw was your helmet. My bad.
Right in my neck. Yeah, you guys are too far out. You gotta go in further.
Let me go this way.
I killed 3 of them, but there's way more. They threw a grenade.
Yeah, I saw that. All right. See what happens. They're like up here.
Hey, hey.
Whoa. I don't know. Come out. Yep. I don't know who's over here. Huh? I know. Yeah, it's a terrible position. Guys, light. Reloading. Are you hit?
Yeah, he's hit.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
You know if I can get back for one split?
You might get friendly fired.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're dark. There's another one back there.
Another?
Yeah. I saw him. There's two of them. So the guy's dead in the bushes. Yeah, we're super pinned down. Footsteps on this side.
Dead man walking! Dead man walking!
Yep. Dang.
Yeah, no, it's not that crazy. My AEG shoots faster than my HP.
Where's your rifle?
Oh, over there is the black box.
I think my MOSFET's done. I think the MOSFET's already done.